In this video, we'll explain the 3 options you have at the end of your lease term and share some helpful information so you can make the right choice. Let's start with a valuable time-saving tip, and that's registering online at lexusfinancial.com. Lexusfinancial.com puts important details about your vehicle's lease at your fingertips. You can even initiate the lease-end process by contacting your dealer online. As a driver of a Lexus lease, you have 3 options to consider at Lease-End. The first is to join the many loyal Lexus guests who return to the same dealership at the end of their lease and lease another new Lexus. With this choice, you can get into a newer model of what you're driving now, or you can try a completely different vehicle from our award-winning lineup. To reward our loyal guests who return and lease again, we'll waive the disposition fee on your next new or L-certified Lexus financed by LFS. If this is the best choice for you, select the Replace Your Vehicle button on screen to learn how to get started. Of course, some guests may no longer need their Lexus vehicle. They might be moving, changing jobs, or finding themselves in another situation where returning the vehicle is the best option. There are some specific steps you need to take before, during, and after your return. So select the Return Your Vehicle button on screen to learn more about how to get started. For guests who love their current Lexus and can't imagine giving it up, we offer a purchase option. This is a great option if you're concerned about the fees associated with excess mileage or wear and use. If you decide to keep your Lexus, you can finance your purchase or pay for the vehicle in full. Select the Purchase Your Vehicle button on screen to learn more about how to get started. With these options, Lexus makes the lease-end process easy for our guests, offering 3 flexible ways you can end your Lexus lease. If you'd like to learn more about one or all of these options, select one of the buttons on screen.